Augusto Valdez Pangan, Sr., March 12, 1932, July 1, 1997, professionally known as Chiquito, was a Filipino actor and comedian. His entertainment career began at the age of 13 when he appeared in a major musical production at the Manila Grand Opera House. In the next several years, he was a fixture in the Manila vaudeville circuit, popular for his skill in dancing the boogie-woogie dot. Chiquito was befriended by Fernando Poe, Sr., and with Poe's assistance, started a film career. He broke into films with Sangano from Polaris Pictures. He would star in over 100 films, mostly comedies, over the next 5 decades. He established his own production company, Sotong Bastos Productions. Named after his favorite film role from the 1950s, he would ride on the crest of ever-popular comedy spoofs of Hollywood genres such as the gangster film and the western. In one of these Western spoofs, The Arizona Kid 1971, he co-starred with Hollywood sex symbol Mamie Van Doren. Chiquito portrayed the very first male version of Darna in the film Tarabaldoble, preceding Dolphy, who only later came out with his own portrayal of the superhero in Darna, you know? In 1984, Chiquito was nominated for a Fama's Best Supporting Actor award for his role in Lovingly Yours, Helen, a film dramatization of the radio and GMA television show hosted by Helen Villa. In 1988, a film reuniting Chiquito with Dolphy titled Basura Gang was planned but did not push through. Chiquito also entered local politics. He was elected 3 times as member of the Municipal Council of Makati, serving from 1969 to 1972, 1988 to 1989, and from 1995 until his death. He served a brief stint as appointed vice mayor of Makati from 1989 to 1992. In 1992, Chiquito made an unsuccessful bid to the Senate of the 9th Congress. He was a member of the Kilusang Bagong Lipunan during his political career. In 1994, Chiquito made a brief showbiz comeback when he teamed up with rapper-comedian Andrew E. in the film Pinagbiak na Bunga lookalike under Viva Films. The movie was a big success and later on had a television spin-off that same year entitled Punot Bunga aired over GMA Network. He later had supporting roles in films like A.N.G. Pagbabalik N. I. Pedro Penduko opposite Jano Gibbs, Bangers with Joey De Leon and Andrew E., and Strict A.N.G. Parents Co. with Amanda Page. Chiquito, the master of broad comedy and character spoofs, died at age 65 due to liver cancer at the Makati Medical Center on July 1, 1997. Philippine media called the day of his death the day the laughter died. He was survived by his widow, Vilma Isidro Pangan. The couple had 7 children. please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.